Hello diamond painting friends, Jessica here with Tiny Worlds of Wonder, stopping in to share a very exciting announcement today. Now you guys have been asking in the comments, you've been asking Katie in her lives, is Summer with the Masters happening in 2022? I didn't get to do it last time, or I didn't get to finish, or I have another canvas I want to do. You guys, it's happening. It's officially happening. Summer with the Masters 2022 is an event that is happening from June 1st, 2022 to July 31st, 2022. If you guys are brand new to the channel, if you're new to diamond painting, you have no idea what I'm talking about, that's totally okay. I'm going to tell you all the details you need to know right now. So the first thing you need to know is that you're going to want to subscribe to Katie's channel at Diamonds and Washi. Katie is a good friend of mine here on YouTube and in real life, and a fellow creator who makes amazing, incredible diamond painting content. You're going to want to subscribe to her not just for Summer with the Masters, but for all her amazing content. She's a great creator and just an all-around excellent human being. So make sure you go over there and click that subscribe button. If you're not subscribed here, I would love to have you as a member of the Tiny Worlds of Wonder family as well. Not just for Summer with the Masters, but all the time. So Katie and I started Summer with the Masters in 2021. It was an event that ran for a couple of months, focusing on diamond paintings with artwork created by the old masters. Old masters, for our purposes, can mean artwork created anywhere in the world by any artist. Our criteria is going to be that they are in the public domain in the United States. So public domain work in the United States, where Katie and I live, is work created before 1927. This artwork can be something you bought off the shelf, or it can be a custom diamond painting, which we're going to talk a little bit more about in a minute. Like I said, the artist can be from anywhere as long as that piece of art dates from before 1927. You can order this canvas from any seller, although of course Katie and I recommend ordering from a reputable seller that's going to give you great customer service and a good quality canvas. This canvas does not have to be a new start. So if you participated last year and, like me, you had a big canvas, maybe you finished one like me, and maybe you started another one and you didn't quite get to finish it, like in my case here, you can pick that canvas right back up and use it this year. No problem. It can be a new start. So if you don't have any old masters in your stash and you want to order one just for the event to work on, that's awesome too. There will be a Google form that you'll need to sign up on to participate in the event, but this isn't going to launch until the event starts on June 1st. That way you can make sure you have everything you need in hand, and you can sign up starting June 1st or anytime during the event, as you wish and as is convenient for you. Now today, Katie on her channel is going to be introducing you to some shops where you might find pre-packaged Old Masters kits. I'm going to talk to you a little bit today about where you might order a custom and how you might order a custom if you wish to participate in the event. The canvas that I'm working on today is called In the Forest of Arden by artist John Collier. This is a custom that was sent to me by a Homespun Hobby. Thank you very much, Sally, for sending this over for review. I've been working on this ever since the event started last year, and I'll show you a big picture view of kind of where I am now. This is a 60 by 80 square drill canvas, very sparkly, and I'm quite impressed with the rendering thus far. The image that I sent to Sally to create this custom was not particularly high resolution, not as high resolution as I would normally prefer to send, but it still is turning out very well, and her designer did a really good job with it. Now, as I mentioned earlier, you can feel free to use for this event a pre-packaged kit. If you are feeling a little more adventurous, let's say, you have a piece of art that you know was created before 1927 that you've always wanted to work on as a diamond painting, you have the option of ordering a custom. Now, both Katie and I have done pretty extensive videos in the past about creating customs. I'll link Katie's in the cards from last year during our Summer with the Masters event, so you can find that. It's a great resource. I encourage you to check that out. Now, of course, when I order a custom, there are a couple of steps that I need to take. The first is to decide on my work of art, and you guys, I have to say, this is the hardest step in the whole process. Last year for Summer with the Masters, I compiled an extensive list of websites where you can find public domain art that's easy to access And most of these sites list the date the art was created, which makes it really easy for you to decide if it's eligible for the event or not. I'll make sure that that list is down in the description below so you can access all those links and start exploring the art you might want to use. Now, customs typically take 6 to 8 weeks to create and arrive to you. That's about the window that you want to give your designer to complete the diamond painting. So if you get online and you decide exactly what you want right now, you should get your canvas in time for the event. By far, my favorite site for finding public domain art is wikiart.org. There's a tremendous amount of public domain art on that site, and I love it because it lists the date of creation for each image, so it's easy to tell if the piece of art you're interested in qualifies for the event or not. If you have something in mind, you have a piece of art you want to do as a diamond painting, you're positive that it's in the public domain and dates before 1927, you can just search for the artist's name and the name of that artwork, of course, and see what kinds of images come up, if they're available for download. And if you open that image and you zoom into it really close and it still looks pretty good, it's probably going to be a decent image to order as a custom diamond painting. The second step you're going to want to take is to decide who you would like to create that custom for you. And so normally, once you've decided on your shop, what you're going to do is actually message that seller with your image and ask them to work up a mock-up for you. Now, a really good responsive seller, like say Royal Diamond Painting, is going to reply to you and give you a couple of size options with some previews so you can see what the small size is going to look like, what the medium size is going to look like, what a very large canvas might look like in a variety of colors, and then you can decide on your size, and of course that will determine the price point of the canvas itself. Once you've communicated with the seller about what size you would like and the number of colors and all the details, then they'll give you directions for how to pay for that canvas, and you're off to the races. Usually it'll arrive to your house, like I said, within 6 to 8 weeks, depending on where you ordered it from. Now, Dreamer Designs has an option where you can actually go in and use an automated system. You can kind of preview your canvas. You can see what size is going to fit the specs of the image the best. And you can see a mock-up of what that image might look like. But for the most part, with the other sellers, you're going to want to send that message and attach the piece of art that you're interested in. And then they'll communicate with you from there. It really is a very, very easy process. I know when you're new, it can feel really daunting to do a custom, but there's something so magical about creating a piece of art in a diamond painting that you have always wanted to do. There's something so magical about recreating that beautiful painting that an old master, a brilliant genius, has created, and really analyzing every corner of that piece of art. It's a great experience, and I really encourage you to try it out if you haven't yet. Now, like I said, that's a brief overview of ordering a custom. If you want a lot more details on how to order a custom, I'm going to be linking videos all through this video that you can watch for, and I'll also put a list of further resources you might explore in the description below. I really hope you're planning to join us for Summer with the Masters 2022. I am so excited about it. I have to admit that it's my favorite event, and I'm so excited to explore the world of Old Masters again alongside Katie with all of you this summer. Now, if you have ideas of topics, artists, areas of diamond painting related to this topic that you might like Katie and I to explore during the event, please leave me a comment below. Katie and I would love to partner with you and find some ways to make this event the most useful to you that it possibly can be. Look for more details here on Tiny Worlds of Wonder in the near future, over on Diamonds and Washi in the near future, and then also on Instagram. Please follow us. I'll make sure our accounts are linked in the description below as well. I hope you have a wonderful week. I'm so excited to kick off Summer with the Masters on June 1st. I hope you'll join us. As always, spread some joy wherever you are, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.